This is on the 74 GMC lot 5776. It is a 454 3/4 ton all original truck. It put some new AC hose, alternator, fan clutch. It's got super cold air conditioning. It had fog lights on it. I took those off, but I cannot find any rust outside of what's on the little hood here. This area right here has a little hood. The top is, or the hood is faded, but I cannot see that it's been repainted. And anyway, it is the camper special with the big mirrors. It has 67,000 miles on it, and the dash is not cracked. The little pillow came with it. Has a sliding rear window, and has an auxiliary fuel tank on it that also has a separate gauge. Dog not included. Has a factory dual exhaust, and there it's pretty new. It's very solid. I had one of these in 1976, 454 with a turbo 400 automatic, and used it. They get about 10 miles a gallon. No matter if you drive them fast or loaded or empty, they just burn a lot of gas. But it does have add-on intermittent wipers that work, and add-on cruise control that works but not overly well. And anyway, just if you have questions at 573-99